So let's see today's lovely spicy yam fritters or Suranache Kaap. Now here I've soaked 1/4 cup of tamarind in 1 cup of water and set aside. Now we're going to take off the peel of the yam or the suran. Now one tip I'd like to give you here is just apply a little bit of oil on your hands before you start peeling, and after you start peeling just wash your hands really well with soap and water, because this peel can cause a little bit of itchiness in your hands. Now once you've done that, wash the suran thoroughly and then cut them into thin slices like this. Cut it into thin slices like this and put it into the tamarind water. So cut very thin slices. The thinner the slices are, the more tasty and crispy and crunchy it gets. Now I'm going to put all of this into my pressure pan along with the tamarind water. And now I'm going to pressure cook this for only one whistle on a high. So when the whistle goes off, just put the gas stove off or the heat off. Now I'm going to make the paste or the chutney for this yam fritter. So I've taken some green chillies, about I think 8 or 10 green chillies, because these are the light green chillies, so they're not really spicy. And I've taken about 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Now the yam has been cooked. I've taken it out of the pressure pan and let it cool to room temperature. So now it's nice and soft also. Now we're just going to grind these green chilies and the garlic or the lasoon into a very coarse paste. I'm also going to add salt to taste. This helps in getting a nice coarse paste also. So just grind this and you'll get a paste like this. Transfer this paste to a bowl. Now I'm going to make a mixture of rice flour, that is half a cup of rice flour, tandoorats peat, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of fine rava or semolina. Mix these two really together. This is going to be our coating for the yam fritters or the Suranache Kaap. Now I'm going to apply this green paste on both sides of the cooked yam. And just dip it into this flour and rava mixture and set it aside. Now, because we just cooked it for one whistle in the pressure pan, it doesn't become very soft. If you cook it for a very long time, then the suran becomes very, very mushy, and you're not able to, it's not firm like this. So the trick is to cook it just for one whistle on high. And also we cook it along with the tamarind because it takes out the itchiness that this suran or this yam generally has. I just thought I'd pop in and let you know about my Amazon storefront. Go and check it out. The link is down in the description box below. It's products that I generally buy on Amazon or I would recommend with regard to best prices and good quality. So go and check out the link. Now I'm just going to heat some oil in a pan, and I like to use my dosa tawa because it's flat. It really helps to get these surans nice and golden brown and crispy. And then once the oil is hot, I'm just going to place them on the tawa and I'm going to fry them, shallow fry them till they're nice and golden brown on both sides. So you can cook it on between low and medium heat. And once they're golden brown in color on one side, just turn them over and cook the other side. You might have to do this 2 or 3 times because you want to get them nice and crispy and golden brown. Now these are an ideal, it's an accompaniment to any, any dish that you have for lunch or dinner, or you can even have them all by themselves. They're really delicious, but I love to have them with some varan bhat. They make an ideal accompaniment to varan bhat. So I hope you give this recipe a try, guys. It's super, super delicious. I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think.
This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.